Joshua, Atty. Elmer Datuy. And of course, let me also meet Dr. Eugene Reyes, our Director for Student Affairs, and my good friend, Danny Caminero, Executive Director of the Philippine Council of State. Thank you very much for a very meaningful and purposive speech. Indeed, although truth is not wrong, I believe that you have ably accepted the cross and, of course, shared with our graduates their thoughts about public service and public servants. And because of that, on behalf of the Board of Trustees, I thank you. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And I wish that next time our director will always be around, because this is a once in a lifetime affair. The graduation of public servants. Now, let me also congratulate our director, the OIC Assistant Regional Director, for the presence today. Because like many of you, I want to identify myself because I was a local government official, having been elected as Vice Governor of the province of Pangasinan. The founder of this institution, the Lyceum Northwestern University, was also like me. He was a former provincial governor of the province of Pangasinan, Dr. Francisco Q. He was also a former cabinet member, like many of you, a public servant. He was Secretary of Health during the Marcos administration. My youngest brother, ang sabi nila kung nakikita kami dalawa, parang mas matanda sa akin, pero siya ang youngest brother po namin. He also served the government. He was PhilHealth President. He was Secretary of Health. He was Undersecretary of Health. Today, you will all be surprised that he is the chairman of the Civil Service Commission. The only doctor who has become so far the only chairman of the Civil Service Commission, Dr. Francisco Duque III. Yan po. Kaya, ang ganda-ganda po na may makilala namin ang sarili namin sa inyo. Kasi baka akala ninyo yan na one moment. No. We are a family of public